What's going on, YouTube? It's Andy from Buzz Weekly. So, today I'm going to be reviewing the TypeS wireless backup camera. This is a completely wireless backup camera with a solar panel on it. Also, you can either get a model that comes with a 6.8 HD monitor, or you can get one that connects to the phone. I chose the monitor. So, let me get to the unboxing. So, it's just two pieces of tape along the top. Get something to cut that with. Oops. So, here we go. You can see the TypeS, and we got product falling out the back. Probably should have done this on a table. Definitely don't want to drop the monitor. Let the box fall. So inside the box you get the license plate frame and the HD monitor, along with a box labeled wireless backup camera. This is with all the mounts and everything, so we'll get to that in a minute. First thing I'm going to take a look at is the actual frame itself. So they actually stuck it in there pretty good. So this is the license plate frame. These are the 10 solar panels that it comes with. And this apparently is the best wireless backup camera that exists in the world right now. You can't buy it on Amazon. It's sold out. So you have to actually exclusively buy it from Costco. Now, the monitor. I'm gonna remove this just to get a look at it. It actually looks freaking beautiful. And you see there are power slots on the side for the power cables, power button on the side. Then there's a sensor on the front that you can wave at it and it will turn it on and off. So I already know that I have to charge this before I put it on my vehicle and give you guys the test of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it now, and I will get back to you as soon as it's done charging. What's up, guys? Andy B here from Buzz Weekly. So we're removing the screws of the license plate now to install the rear view camera. So once the license plate is gone, then we're gonna go ahead, grab the new license plate frame, So once you have the new license plate frame, you're gonna go ahead, take your license plate, line it up with the bolts. Then get your screws. You should be able to use the screws that they sent you or the screws that you already had. So I'm just gonna go with the ones I already had. And there's a little button on the bottom that you're gonna push until there's a blue LED light flashing 2 times. Alright, it's flashing more than I thought it would flash, but let's jump in the car now. I'm going to give this baby some power in just a second. I will fast forward through this in editing. Then place the power cable into the side, and the screen should light up, and we got picture. So I didn't even get a chance to mount the mount yet, but we could already see that it's working perfectly. So let me lay this down. I'm gonna take the mount, get it a little bit wet, kind of gross, but you gotta do it. Then mount on the windshield in your desired position, and I'm pretty sure that's it right there. Alright, 1 second here. That's it. Alright guys, so I did not realize in the last part of the video that you can't see the screen well. So I'm gonna jump in the car right now and show you guys what the screen looks like. Now keep in mind, this is at night, so the quality of the screen might not show as well as it really is, as good as it really is, I should say, but it actually is very impressive. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it my rating right now. I'm gonna rate it at 4.5 stars. The one problem I have with it is when it has headlights in its view, it can sometimes distort the view a little bit, but it's honestly, it's such a great camera. It's unbelievable. So the quality is just fucking great. So let me grab this camera and get up close on it. Hopefully it will focus in at this point. So as you can see, alright, you wave your hand in front of the camera to activate it, and hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right now. So the lines on it you can actually remove the lines by hitting the Park P button. Get a full view of the rear. Then you can bring the lines back. And also you can hold your finger there for a second and you can move the lines up and down until it's in your desired position. So the field of view is very wide. You even could see the cars passing by, which is nice. So I love this camera. So I'm giving it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. For the only reason it's getting a 4.5 is because there's a slight distortion when headlights hit it. And that's really not a big deal because, and I'm talking about when you're driving down the road as a rear view camera. But let me show you guys a quick video of me parking with the parking assist. So wave my hand in front, activate the camera, start the car up. It's gonna probably reboot. So wave your hand in front, activate the camera, then throw it in reverse. I'm gonna try to strictly use the camera right now, not even use the mirrors really. Alright, I might have came in a little too hot on the right side. Yeah, I think so. It's looking like I'm gonna have to adjust. Possibly not. Let's see. Till I touch the curb. I'm alright actually. Straighten the car out. And that's gonna be it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. That is my review of the TypeS rear view camera, completely wireless. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Like the video below if you liked it. If you didn't like it, there's a button for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Andy B from Buzz Weekly, out.